Hi, people brought a video to my attention and asked me if it was real, so I checked it out and it was fake! This video has over 48 million views on Facebook and counting, posted by viral hacks. And it's just a guy putting together a wireless cell phone charger. He basically cuts charger cables, puts foil on cable power lines, wraps some wire on them, glues a magnet on the charger and plugs the connector in the charger and the other end in the cell phone, and the damn thing charges wirelessly over 50 feet. Man, 48 million views for a fake video. You know, all my video views over 3 years is a little bit over 61 million, and I'm literally tearing myself apart to be informative and entertaining. And this guy gets 48 million for nothing. Maybe I should sell myself to fakery for views. But I haven't sold myself to anything except maybe to this, the Seek thermal camera, because it's an awesome and very useful tool. You'll see things that you've never seen before. Just check my previous video. I will not create misinformation for views. I will not create... And do you realize that how many of those viewers actually go and cut their cords to make that fake circuit? And that's not all. Viral Hacks has freebooted this video without giving any credit to a poor YouTuber called Ideology, who got a bit over 500,000 views for his fake video. Ideology has some other good projects in his channel, but then he gave in to the dark side for views and made a misinforming video, which even the darker Viral Hacks benefited from. But why is it fake, you ask? Maybe simply because when the guy turns the power bar on, the f***ing power switch for the charger is off. The f***ing charger is not even powered. And also he has cut the power lines, left the circuit open, and is just wrapping wires on wires. This can't output shit. And also, in order to transmit power over air, you need alternating current or AC signal. You cannot transfer DC or direct current power over air. And this guy is connecting his pointless wires to a 5-volt USB charger DC output. See, the wireless power is done by making a transformer. In a transformer, you have a primary coil and a secondary coil. When you run alternative current through primary, you create AC magnetic fields coming out of primary that pass through secondary. And those fields move electrons in secondary and create AC power output. I've made two coils, one for primary and one for secondary. And as for my AC power source, I'll plug my primary into the 120 volt AC power line. Don't plug your artworks in 120 volt AC, it's too dangerous and low frequency. Let's use a signal generator. I connected my primary to a sine wave signal you see here, and on my secondary I also connected a capacitor that combined with the inductor it creates a resonance frequency of roughly 1 MHz. The output is connected to an LED. So on my primary I have to provide a frequency that resonates with the secondary. As Nikola Tesla always reminds us, resonance is one of the most important things in wireless power transfer. And here we go. As I bring the primary and secondary close to each other, you can see that the LED lights up. Of course, for maximum power transfer, I have to tune the frequency. And you can see here that around 900 kHz I have maximum brightness. But even this well-tuned circuit can't provide such small power for over 2 inches unless I significantly increase the input power. And this bunny ears charger can deliver over 50 feet, 48 million views. You know what? To heal my burns and as a public service, I'm gonna find these misinformers and rectify the truth. I shall call myself the Rectifier. This cape looks like a backpack. If you find things like this, send me a message by email or on my Facebook page or in the comments below and I'll get on it.